Welcome back to my channel. Did you know that over 40% of adults in the US are classified as obese? That's nearly 1 in 2 people. And despite trying everything, diets, supplements, workout routines, many still struggle to lose weight. But what if there was a new, science-backed solution that could change everything? Meet Wegovy, a revolutionary FDA-approved medication that's transforming the weight loss journey. Unlike quick fixes or dangerous fads, Wegovy offers real results based on real science. And today we're diving into exactly how it works, why it's so effective, and whether it might be right for you. Let's talk about the struggle. So many of us have tried to lose weight through diet and exercise alone. We follow strict meal plans, push through exhausting workouts, and still, the weight just doesn't come off. Frustrating, right? That's because weight loss isn't just about willpower. It's about biology, hormones, appetite, metabolism. And when those systems are working against you, it feels like an uphill battle every single day. This is exactly where medications like Wegovy step in and make a difference. Wegovy contains semaglutide, a compound that mimics a natural hormone in your body called GLP-1. This hormone plays a big role in controlling appetite, regulating blood sugar, and slowing digestion. When you take Wegovy once a week, it helps you feel full faster and stay full longer. It reduces cravings and helps control how much you eat naturally. But it's not just about eating less. Wegovy also supports metabolic health, helping your body process sugar more effectively. Of course, like all medications, it can have side effects, including nausea, bloating, or fatigue when you start. That's why it must be prescribed and monitored by a healthcare provider and used as part of a healthy lifestyle. Now let's talk about results. In clinical studies, people taking Wegovy lost an average of 15% of their body weight. That's a huge achievement, especially for those who've struggled for years. One user shared, "I lost 40 pounds in 6 months, and I've kept it off." Another said, "Wegovy gave me the control I'd lost after trying every diet out there." These stories are powerful, not just because of the numbers, but because of what they represent. Freedom, confidence, better health, and a new lease on life. Wegovy is not a magic pill, but it is a powerful science-based tool that can help you finally take control of your weight and your health. When used with guidance and commitment, the results can be life-changing. So what do you think about Wegovy? Are you considering it, or have you tried it already? Let's talk in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video where I'll share simple, healthy habits to support long-term weight loss success.